Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Residence Inn by Marriott Rocklin Roseville. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Roseville and within 2.9 miles of William Jessup University, Residence Inn by Marriott Rocklin Roseville has free bikes, non-smoking rooms, and free Wi-Fi. This 3-star hotel offers a business center and dry cleaning services. The hotel features family rooms. The hotel will provide guests with air-conditioned rooms offering a desk, a coffee machine, a fridge, a microwave, a safety deposit box, a flat-screen TV and a private bathroom with a bath or shower. At Residence Inn by Marriott Rocklin Roseville, all rooms include bed linen and towels. An American breakfast is available every morning at the accommodation. Residence Inn by Marriott Rocklin Roseville provides a laundry service, as well as business facilities like fax and photocopying. Empire Ranch Golf Course is 16 miles from the hotel, while Punch Line Sacramento is 20 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Sacramento International Airport, 20 miles from Residence Inn by Marriott Rocklin Roseville. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.